This can be your best portable monitor on the go. A super cool device for students or creators who love to work out of their house and needs a second screen to do your homework, editing or whatever it is. This is a super slim monitor that has really fabulous features, especially considering its price. Hey guys, welcome back to the Enoylity Technology, and today we have the Arzopa 15.6-inch Full HD monitor. Now let's quickly see what we get inside the box. The monitor itself, a USB Type-C to USB Type-C connector, a USB Type-C to USB Type-A cable for power supply only, a charger, a mini HDMI to HDMI cable, a screen cleaning cloth, and as always a user guide. On the sides we have a mini HDMI port along with the two USB Type-C ports, and on the another we have the headphone jack along with the pulley button adjuster and the power button. This also comes with the strong magnetic cover which can be easily used as a stand while working. Now let's talk about the features. It has a 1080p Full HD display with HDR technologies. This also provides you 178 degrees of viewing angle, and apart from this, for your eye safety, this has a flicker-free screen with the low blue light eye care technologies. Even the brightness of the screen is also very sufficient, and the most important thing, it is only a 0.3 inches thin, which is only a little bit thick from an average pencil, and weighs only around 700 grams. So it is as same as carrying 100 pages of notebook. Now talking about the connection, which is widely compatible with your PCs, laptops, mobile phones, PS Xbox or even the television. Just make sure you are providing a power supply while using it with your mobile phones. This portable monitor can be also used in a landscape or a portrait mode. So once again, having a look on the key features, it has a 1080p of Full HD display with flicker-free screen and eye care technology, widely compatible, and has a dual speaker for great sound experience. So this was all about the Arzopa 15.6-inch Full HD monitor. Do check the monitor from the links in the description down below. I hope you like this video from Enoylity Technology, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.